of the day and I cannot wait. I've got an inkling of what the number might be today, but I do need your help. So, thinking back to yesterday, can you remember what our number of the day yesterday was? Say it to me now. Well done. If you said 2, you are right. So let's open the door and remind ourselves. See if we can work it out. So our number of the day yesterday was 2, so we know that it's 1 more than 2, but it's 1 less than 4. Say it to me now if you think you know. Did you manage to get it? Did you say 3? Good job. Now take those magic pencils out of your pockets and I want you to trace the number with me. So we're going to go around and around. Fantastic. So point to me at the screen and let's do it together. Around and around. Fantastic. Like we always do in class, can you now pretend to draw it on the ceiling? Around, around. On the floor. Around, around. Pointing over here. Around, around. And find something else to do it on. You could do it on your forehead, do it on your knee. Around, around. Fantastic job. Let's see what we have in here today. Oh, it's some numicon. Fantastic. So with your magic finger, can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. Now, I'm really glad that it was the number 3 because Penny and I, we went on a walk this morning and I took some pictures. Would you like to have a look? Your challenge is to, when I put it up on the screen, pause the video and see if you can talk to somebody in your house about the lots of different 3s that you can see. You might see the number 3 or you might see the amount. So this is your challenge. Are you ready? Good job, everybody. I could hear lots of really, really interesting answers there. So well done. And keep looking. So our number of the day is 3. Have a look. If you go on a walk today, if you find anything in your home, please can you email it to me because I would love to put them in our videos and we can share it with everybody. Okay, so any interesting things that you see on your walks, so remembering what our number of the day tomorrow is going to be, and you can send me some pictures, or even have a think about what the number of the day on Monday will be. So hang on a minute. Our number of the day tomorrow is going to be, and then we're going to have Saturday, Sunday. On Monday, so for Monday's lesson, the number of the day is going to be, so I'm especially looking for if you see any interesting things with 5 in, send them to me and then I can put them in our maths lesson and I would love that. Okay, let's crack on with our learning. So before we carry on with our counting accurately, so we're going up to 20 today, I wanted to put up the answers from yesterday so that you have a chance to check them if you want to, and also to make it clear that today we're not going to do any sheets after today's lesson. So there isn't a written outcome for today. Okay, so here are the answers if you want to check them from your work for yesterday. So pause the video and then continue once you've checked them. Okay, well done everybody, because I saw lots of wonderful work being shown into me. I saw Amarachi's work, which was fantastic, Billy's work, which was brilliant. Please keep sending them in to the reception email, because that would be brilliant, because we love to look at your work. And I might even include your work in the lessons coming up. So please keep sending them in to us. We love to see them, and well done. Okay, let's carry on with our lesson today. So, Gargery and Little Dorrit, I have seen both classes now, and you are both very, very good with your numbers up to 10, okay? So today's lesson is all about accurately counting up to 20, and we're going to do that today and tomorrow. But I also wanted to take the opportunity to say to parents, carers, siblings, whoever is helping you with your lesson today, if you are finding that you're still finding it a little bit tricky counting up to 10, that's okay. And what I would suggest is that you do something like Miss McKell's got here, and you write a number line and you put it somewhere in your house, okay? So somewhere that you're going to see it all the time. The fridge is always a popular option. Bathroom as well. Bathroom works really well. Just have it somewhere that you can see it all the time, and you can just keep practicing it with whoever is in the house with you, okay? So don't worry if you're still finding 0 to 10 a little bit tricky. We are going to be moving on to 20, and that's okay. But like I say, if you are finding that tricky, put a number line up and just keep practicing it, and keep just looking at it and practicing it, I would say, whenever you see it, okay? Right, so bearing that in mind, we're now going to start counting. So let's do this together. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fantastic. We're going to do it again together. A little bit faster this time. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now I want you to do it by yourselves. Off you go. Fantastic. So everyone at home, if you did find that a bit tricky, what I'd suggest is you rewind and you practice that a couple more times. Otherwise, we are then going to crack on with the rest of the lesson. So well done if you've just practiced that. We've got the hungry caterpillar again. Now, the hungry caterpillar, he's getting better with his counting, but he needs our help, okay? So, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to be focusing on the numbers that go between 10 to 20, okay? So I'm going to cover this up, even though we know those numbers are still there, and some of you will still be practicing them, that's fine. But the ones that we are focusing on today are going to be these numbers, okay? So bearing that in mind, we're going to have another quick focus on these numbers, okay? So we're going to start slowly and then do it a little bit quicker. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, let's do it together. Off we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brilliant. Your turn by yourselves. Fantastic. Brilliant. Okay. So, we have got the hungry caterpillar here. He needs some help with these bigger numbers, especially between 10 and 20. Now, the hungry caterpillar, he's okay at reciting the numbers, but he doesn't really understand what the numbers mean, okay? And this is what we're going to really help him with today. Do you remember how yesterday Penny, she had my number cards and I put them all in the right order so that they were all in the correct order as they would be on the number line, and she went and she mixed them all up. I know. She's a very sneaky chihuahua. Do you want to see what she's doing right now? You'd never think she was that sneaky. Don't be fooled by her sneaky chihuahua face. She's very, very cheeky. So, she hasn't mixed up my number cards today. I tell you what I had done, and I had it all in the right order. So I had all of the Numicon and I put them into the right order. So I had 10, and then the next one, what comes after 10? Yep, 11. And then after 11, 12. So I managed to get the Numicon matching and in the right order as it comes on the number line. And guess what Penny did? I know. She came along with her furry little chihuahua paw and she messed it all up. So, I don't have time to put the numicon back in order, but do you think you can help me? So what we're going to do together, I'm going to show you an amount using the numicon, and you're going to help me find a matching numeral, okay? So if I had this on the table, you would know that that represents 10, okay? And you would help me find the numeral out of my number cards. You would help me find the numeral to match it to the correct numicon. Are you ready? I just don't have the time to do it, and I really need your help. Oh, you are so kind. Thank you. So the first one we have for our little hungry caterpillar is, we have got this amount. Okay, so with our hungry caterpillar, can you help me count it, please? So counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, with my hungry caterpillar, you tell me, how much do we have altogether? Well done, we do have 17. So now, my question to you is, out of these two, which one is the matching numeral? Can you point to it for me? Good job. If you're pointing to this one, give yourselves a pat on the back. Oh, fantastic. Let's get on to our next one. So, the next amount that we have that I need your help with. Okay, if you think you know it already, tell me. Okay, and let's check by counting. Off we go. A little bit faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What number is that altogether? It is 18. So, out of these two, can you point to the correct numeral? If you are pointing to this one, well done. Give yourself a pat on the back. Brilliant. So I've matched my 18 to my 18 numicon. Brilliant, little Doris and Gargery. You are doing a great job. Let's carry on. Okay, the next one we have is this one. Say it if you think you know it. Okay, let's see if you're right. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What number is that altogether? It is 15. And well done, because some of you guessed that. So well done, you're getting really good with your numeral and amount. Okay, point to the right numeral for me. If you're pointing to that one, good job. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Let's pop that one back, and you've helped me sort out this one. Brilliant job, everybody. Okay, only a few left. Here we go. Which one do you think this is? Say it if you know it. Okay. Now, do you know what we're going to do this time? We're not going to count this one because we know that that's 10. So we've got a little trick that we can do. I'd like you to say 10, put that number in your head. What comes after 10? 11. So that's what we're going to carry on to. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What number is that, everybody? 16. Good job. Now, between these two, can you point to the correct numeral? If you're pointing to this one, good job, everybody. You have helped me match another amount to a numeral. That goes into my organised pile. Pop that one back. Okay. Ooh, this is a nice one. Say it if you think you know this one. Okay, let's try that trick. We're not going to count this one because we already know that is 10. So everyone say 10, put that in your head. Ready for the next one, which will be 11. Okay, let's do this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, some of you knew that already. Really good with your numicon. point to the correct numeral. Oh, look at that. The hungry caterpillar is getting better as well. Good job. So you've helped me organise that one as well. So that goes into my organised pile over there. Oh, now this is interesting. This is our final numeral that I have. Now, do you think you can tell somebody at home what colours you think I'm looking for? Because I don't have that amount in front of me, so I need to go into my Numicon box. And which numbers do you think I should be looking for? I can hear somebody saying the blue for 10. Good job. Can anyone remember what colour 9 is? Somebody said it. Well done. It is purple. Now, let's just double check that, because sometimes Miss McHale gets the colours wrong. So can you help me? So we know the trick for this. 10, put that in your head. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Brilliant job, everybody. Oh, that is such a good job you've done for me there. Helping me organise all of my numerals to match the amounts. What a fantastic job for me. Oh, absolutely brilliant. So, from me and the very hungry caterpillar, look at him. Look at how happy he is. He's done brilliant learning today. You've all done a great job. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. Like I said, there's no worksheet for today. Okay, you're going to have a worksheet for tomorrow. Looking forward to that. It's going to be a bit more of the hungry caterpillar. If you did want to go and do a task now, I would suggest that you go and you make your own number line, okay? Practicing your number formation, okay? So that's something that you can go and do. If I leave this open so that you can leave it paused, and that's what you can go and practice. And again, if you want to send me in those pictures, I would love to see your number lines, okay? So brilliant work, everybody. Have a lovely day. Cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.